you ready to go camping? Aw, Bingo, didn't Dad tell you the trip's canceled because of the rain? No! I wanted to go camping so badly! Isn't there something we can do about the rain? Unfortunately, no. We'll have to wait it out.
Hey girls, I have an idea. What if we camped indoors?
Indoors?
Yeah, we can do all the fun camping activities, but inside.
Yeah, let's do it! But how are we gonna do that?
With this.
That looks like so much fun! Are those s'mores? I love s'mores! Please, can we camp indoors?
Yeah, we just need to first set up the campsite. Here we go. And now every campsite needs a fire. Let's start one. Around the campfire, we have some rocks to keep the fire contained. On the rocks, there's some molds on it. Now for the fire, let's use yellow and red. I'll lightly mix them together before putting it in the extruder. Let's press down and make fire. Wow, look at how pretty that looks. The colors blended together in some areas to make orange. Uh-oh, the warm fire is bringing in the critters. Let's make some. When camping, it's normal to see things like ants and lizards and caterpillars. You can also see snakes and beetles and snails. It's all a part of the great outdoors. One of the best parts of camping is making food over the fire. Let's make some hot dogs. And a campfire favorite is some roasted marshmallows. Here's one ready for the fire. Let's make a toasted one too by mixing in a little bit of this color into the white Play-Doh. That looks delicious! Let's roast some marshmallows on a stick. With your roasted marshmallow, you can now make s'mores. Let's first make some graham crackers. I'll need to cut out 2 squares for the sandwich. Let's add some details. And we can't forget about the melted chocolate. I'll add 2 marshmallows. Yum, look at how good this looks. We can't just have sweets though. Let's make some more food. How about a chicken leg? Yummy! And I'll also make a fish that we just caught in the stream. Nothing like a fresh catch over the fire. For breakfast, we have steak, bacon, and eggs. We need a lot of protein to fuel us for our outdoor activities. Let's warm up some bread by the fire too. I'll make a loaf. And who doesn't love some roasted corn? Let's make a corn on the cob.
Wow, that's a beautiful fire. Who knew camping inside would be so much fun? Thanks for saving our camping trip. Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem, girls. Enjoy.
I love the smell of roasted marshmallows. Time to make a s'more. This sausage is gonna be delicious. Yum, I could eat like 10 of these. This chicken leg is hitting the spot.
Come and get breakfast, girls. And for lunch, we have some freshly caught fish. That was so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more.